we're going to learn how to create a transition using an aesthetic style technique. This is a technique I often use for sales on microstock as well. Step 1. Import the transition and a white background color in the CapCut menu. First, cut the part where the transition fills the entire screen like this. Choose Split, then choose Delete on the right side. It should look like this. Tap the transition, select Overlay, then choose Remove Background, select Chroma Key, move the center point to the green color, and adjust it until it looks clean. Once it's done, trim the background color so it's shorter than the transition duration and make the ending red like this. Then export it. Step 2. Import the previous transition with the green background color in CapCut. Tap the transition, select Overlay, then choose Remove Background, select Chroma Key, move the center point to the red color and adjust it until it looks clean. Once it's done, set the green screen duration to be longer than the transition and make sure the end of the video has a green background like this. Then, export. Final step. Import the transition, along with the red transition from step 1. Tap the white background transition, then choose Overlay. Select Remove Background. Pick Chroma Key. Move the center point to the white color and adjust until it looks clean. When finished, drag the white background transition behind the red transition like this. Then tap the red transition, make sure the screen is red, and select Freeze. Then trim the red background so it's shorter than the white transition like this, and make sure the end of the video is green like this. Make sure the video duration is 5 seconds to meet the upload requirement for microstock. Tap the white background transition, select Freeze, and trim it, so the total video duration is 5 seconds. Then, export. And this is the result. Now we'll upload all the liquid transition videos to Adobe Stock using relevant tags and titles, just like in my portfolio.